Shook, get a smoke, 2 flashes. Everybody else get a decoy. And armor up. You guys take the bomb upper B. Smoke top mid. Throw a couple decoys. Keep the bomb, I'm going in.
What do you want me to do with the flashes?
You're gonna flash them out B. You guys all walk to the bar stalls at mid.
What do we do? The decoys.
Just keep them. Fuck it. Okay, I'm faking A now. Get ready to flash them out. Smoking A. Flashing out.
Okay, get close.
When I die, go. There's 3 CT. Just go. They're just playing retake.
Jumping
He's
van.
jumping van, yeah. He's jail.
Dead. One cat. Playing default. Or market window.
We'll
Maybe.
market.
I'm flanking market. I'm flanking market. Just so One's jungle.
I can't get back into apps.
Cat looks clear. One cat. Ladder room.
One out the window.
One's cat. Cat behind you lit.
Clip
Run.
Oh my god!
You have 10 kills.
What's it off?
Then
How
smoke
do I-
top mid. Then smoke top mid.
How do I save
Everybody
that?
else go upper B.
Someone tell me how to save that. Fuck, quick, help me, quick. How do I save it?
Save what?
What?
You can
You just
go
go
in the
back to the
demo.